Friends, this video shows how to open OpenClaw Terminal UI instead of Web UI. We can open Terminal UI using command. This is a command. OpenClaw TUI Terminal UI. Just run this command. Now it's opening Terminal UI. Please wait. See, this is a Terminal UI, and here we can type. We can type message and submit. Let me type one prompt here. Then enter. See, it says no output. It's fine. So this way we can open Terminal UI and use. So if you want to exit from this Terminal UI, just press Ctrl C. Done. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.